If you're looking to add videos to your site, there are a couple of different ways you can do it. Videos hosted on YouTube or Vimeo can easily be embedded using Website Builder. Embedding a video first requires you to upload it to the YouTube or Vimeo platform and then link to the video on your site. I'm Emily, and I'm going to show you how to use the YouTube hosting platform with Website Builder. To upload and host your videos on YouTube, you must create an account with them first. When you embed a video from YouTube, their player displays on your web page. You control some aspects of how the YouTube player displays on your website. However, you'll need to set these options in the YouTube platform first. The upload process for YouTube is covered in detail on their site, so I'll leave that up to them. Let's start on the details screen for a video that's already been uploaded to YouTube. The thumbnail image associated with your Google account displays on your YouTube channel by default, and also displays in the upper left corner of the video player on your web page. The title field displays across the top of the video player when it's embedded in Website Builder. However, the YouTube description field is only displayed on YouTube. The player also displays the YouTube thumbnail for your video. You can select a thumbnail from the 3 offered at the bottom of the settings screen, or if you have a verified YouTube account, you can upload a custom thumbnail for your video. And last, but most important, this is the URL you'll need to embed your video on your site. Just click the copy icon to copy it to your clipboard and then paste in Website Builder. Another thing you'll want to be aware of is the autoplay feature in YouTube. You cannot disable autoplay in YouTube. It's controlled on the viewer side and only they can edit this setting. In autoplay, once a video is complete, the player automatically shows the next video on the channel from which it's playing. If you're sharing a video from your channel, then you can control what customers see next by managing video order on your YouTube channel. However, if you're sharing a video that's hosted on someone else's YouTube channel, you cannot control which video the player shows upon completion. YouTube allows you to add custom end screens to your videos on their platforms. End screens enable you to promote other content, such as your website, as well as interact with viewers. To learn more about creating, managing, and personalizing your YouTube account, channel, and videos, or how to use end screens in YouTube, check out the YouTube Help Center. That's a little bit about the YouTube hosting platform and what you need to know to embed your YouTube hosted videos in Website Builder. See you next time.